If you're a Windows PC or laptop user, today I'm going to show you how you can detect whether there is a malware or virus in your PC via monitoring system resources. The use of system resources also determines whether your system, laptop or PC will be very fast or very slow. So if you're ready, come with me. Let's go check it out. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. I'm so excited to have you on today's own. Having worked with Windows computers for over 20 years, one of the biggest questions that people ask me is that my system is slow. How do I speed it up? That many Windows system users don't take time to understand system resources. And when you understand system resources, then you can actually understand how to manage it better. There are 5 major system resources on your Windows PC or laptop. Number 1 is your CPU. So the second one is your RAM. The third one is your GPU. The fourth one is your storage, read and write of the storage. The fifth one is your internet resources. So these key things, if these things are being used indiscriminately by some malicious apps and all that, your system will start running slow. Now, you should be able to know when you're not doing anything, when you on your system, you should be able to know the minimal resource that is being used and the one that is available for every other application to work. I usually use monitors, internet monitors, to be able to know, check what is going on. Is there anybody running on the background? So that is the first thing. So if you do not have the habit of checking the task manager, you have to go to the task manager. If there is a malware in your phone or virus in your phone, there are 2 basic things that these applications or these malicious applications will do. The first one is to steal resources from your system. The second one is to use system resources the way they want. So these are the 2 basic things. Now, if they're going to steal your system resources, they will need to transmit with internet connection to send it home. If they're going to use your system resources, like there are some malware that will be using your GPU on the background, they will also need internet connection to complete the assignment which they are using. So that's why I always use internet monitor to check out, is there anything running that I didn't assign? Is there anything running using resources? That takes us to resource monitor. When you open the taskbar will show you things going on, but you're not going to get all the details with just looking at it at the taskbar. So when you notice that either your CPU is being utilized too much, or your RAM is being utilized too much, or your internet is being utilized too much, now that is the first way to detect whether there is a malicious app in your phone. But what do you have to do now? So when you detect that something is using resources from the task manager, the next thing you have to go into is what we call the resource monitor. Many people have opened the task manager without knowing there is something called resource monitor. So the resource monitor will give you details of the particular application, the utilization of the resources they are using in real time. What you now have to do is, if you are worried about your internet, then you open the section of network and monitor which application it is. You will see the name of the application. You will see the IP address that they are transmitting to. You will see the amount of data they are transmitting, sending and receiving. You will see all that. And if it is application you don't want, you can search out the application. Then you have to uninstall it or disable it, or make sure that it doesn't happen like that. So when you turn on your system, you're not running a lot of things, and a lot of things are running in the background. You start looking at the app, checking out where are they sending information to, which site are they throwing the information to, and then with that way you should be able to know whether an app is malicious, or which place is his home, where he's sending information to, or the server to. And then if you suspect it, you can now start working on how to either disable the app or completely uninstall it from your system. This is more of the elementary way to do it. There are still much more things you can do advanced, but if you can know how to manage your system resources very well, and know what is using your system resources, and know how to stop whatever that is using your system resources from using it without your permission or knowledge, then you're going to definitely get your system to be faster, and the resources be available to all the applications that need it when you need it. If you're watching up to this point, a sub to the channel will be resourceful. so make sure you click on that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell icon, to keep getting videos like this. And do feel free to ask me any other questions in the comment section. And until I see you in the next video, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.